Do you want to control how much storage your downloads use on Amazon Prime Video? In this video, I will show you how to set video download quality on Amazon Prime Video step by step so you can save data and storage space. Choosing the right download quality helps you balance video clarity and file size, perfect for traveling or limited storage. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Amazon Prime Video app. So you will tap here. Then in this page, you will find this first page. You will click on this sign of profile. You will go to profile. In this page, you will find this sign of settings. So you will enter to settings. You will tap on stream and download, manage quality and Wi-Fi. And here in this page, you will find download quality. And then as you see, you can choose or manage your download quality. For example, if you want to save your storage, you can choose just good or data saver. As you see here, data saver, it's more helpful. And if you want to have a good quality on downloading, when you are downloading your videos, you can choose better or best. But for saving your storage, just click on save or data saver as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.